Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for JEE Mains and Advanced. To begin, ensure you build a strong conceptual foundation. Thoroughly understand each topic before moving on to problem solving. Master essential mathematical tools like calculus and vectors, as they are crucial for physics. Start with insert textbooks to grasp the fundamentals, then gradually progress to more advanced materials. This initial step is vital for long-term success. Consistent problem solving is key to excelling in physics. Dedicate time daily to practice a diverse range of problems from various sources. After attempting, always analyze your mistakes to pinpoint conceptual weaknesses and learn from them. Make sure to solve previous year's JEE questions to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and question types. This rigorous practice will significantly enhance your problem-solving abilities and speed. As you advance, strategize your preparation by prioritizing high-weightage topics for both JEE Mains and Advanced. This ensures you focus on areas that yield more marks. Develop robust time management skills during your practice sessions, aiming to solve problems efficiently within a set time frame. Consistent revision of all formulas and important derivations is also crucial to retain information and apply it quickly during the exam. Finally, maintaining a positive mindset and consistent motivation is paramount. The JEE journey can be challenging, so take short, regular breaks to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Never hesitate to seek clarification or help from your teachers or peers when you encounter difficult concepts or problems. Remember, consistent effort, a strategic approach, and a healthy mindset are your best tools for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.